Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create or set a trailing stop loss right here on ThinkorSwim. And if you want to do this, what we're going to do is we go right here to monitor, select trade, then we go to all products, and then we search right here for something that we want to buy. So let's do right here Ethereum. Then you will see right here the underlying, and we need this underlying to create ourselves a position. Because if you go right here to last, we can buy, and if you go right here to bid, we can sell. Let's go right here to buy, and then you will get right here this order entry. And then what we're going to do from here, select right here for how much contracts we want to step in. And then if you go right here to the order type, we can select right here trail stop. Then from now, we need to fill in right here for how much we want to trail stop. So let's do 1, that is fine for me. And then from here, we do right here confirm and send. Then he will give you right here your order. And then after that, we click here on send. And then right now, we created ourselves a position with a trailing stop loss. So this is how you can trailing stop loss right here on ThinkorSwim. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.